Hi people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the difference in using tea tree oil alongside with tomato and using olive oil alongside with lemon. You know, the difference in the two and how effective that is going to be on the skin. So let's go for experimentation. Oh, is that English correct? Anyways, let's go and experiment this on our skin. Well, all of these ingredients are natural, and I have actually not mixed this once before, so this is actually my very first time mixing it together. So let's go check this out. Okay, if you do love the video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any personal questions you want to ask me, please do ask all of your questions on my website. Link will be at my comment section and also at my description box. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram and also share this video while we go check this out. Alright, so the first ingredients is going to be lemon, and we also have tomato. All right, these two ingredients, lemon contains a citric acid that helps to lighten up the skin, and it's a little bit harsh when used, but of course it's really nice when used constantly. It would help glow and remove pigmentation and dark spots, while tomato is very mild and is gentle, and it contains a lightening property that helps to exfoliate and lighten up the skin, and it's also really mild on the skin, and it glows the skin, remove dark spots, and it's great to use as a skin lightening property. All right, these two are skin lightening in nature, so we're gonna be using this with tea tree oil and olive oil. All right, tea tree oil is an essential oil, and it helps to glow and polish up the skin, and it's essential for the skin because when you use tea tree oil, it would remove dark spots, dark patches, pigmentations, and it will also glow your skin. While olive oil is very mild, it helps to tighten up a loose and sagging skin. It is great in using for the breast to tighten it up, and for a sagging jawline, and also for a sagging chin. All right, so we're going to be using this, and olive oil helps to close up a large and open pores. Okay, it repairs up the skin. So let's go. All right, so for the lemon, we have to just cut it. All right, so let me just say this for the purpose of those people who will be asking me, is this lemon or lime? This is actually our own lemon. This is actually our African lemon. It is usually green. Sometimes it can be lemon in color, but most of the time it is usually green. Okay, so you don't need to ask me, is that lime or lemon? It is lemon. They do the same work. The content is the same, but the back is green because the land here in Africa is green. All right, so what we're gonna do is that we are gonna cut this all up, and we don't need much of it, so we're going to cut just 3 slices of that. Okay, and then we're just going to put that there, and then we're going to cut the tomato in pieces. All right, so this 4 pieces would be perfect, and we are going to set this aside. All right, for the tomato section, I'm gonna be dropping some drop of the tea tree oil. Okay, and that is it. And for the olive oil section, I'm also going to be dropping it. So how you're gonna do this, you're going to either take one of this. I'm gonna first of all take the tomato, and then you're just going to if you prefer to use tomato, you're just going to use that to scrub your face. Okay, just like what I'm doing right now. I'm going to use that to scrub all of your face. Now tomato is actually really mild compared to, you know, lemon. And you're just going to scrub it up and then you wash it. If you're in the side of tomato, this is how you're going to do it. When you scrub it, then you go wash it off. Okay, and if you're on the side of the lemon, you're going to remove the seed and then you're just going to use this to scrub your skin. Now if you're using the lemon, you have to, you know, pour much of the tomato, okay, sorry, much of the olive oil, because you need that a lot while scrubbing your face with this. And yeah, this is just going to help you remove all dark spots and pigmentations. Okay, and there you have it. If you have dark knuckles, well, you can do what I'm doing right now. Then when you're done applying this on your face, you give it a little massage, like a romance massage. Okay, just very light and, you know, not too harsh. You massage it and then you would, you know, leave it on for a little while, for like 30 seconds, and after that you go wash it off. Now the difference is that the tomato is mild than the lemon, but they all do the same job. But if you have a more sensitive and soft skin, you go for the tomato. But if your skin is rough and it is hard, of course there are people like that, then you go for the lemon. The lemon would do the job really well for you if you're on that category. All right, so if you're using this treatment, you have to use it. If you're using the lemon, you have to use it once in a week. But if you're using the tomato, you can do that 2 times in a week and it's going to be perfect. Your skin is just going to glow. All this natural stuff looks simple, but they work really fine. Okay, basically guys, they are actually very friendly, the two. But the things are, if you have a very sensitive and soft skin, you should go for the tomato. But if you have a very raw, strong and whatever skin, you should go for the lemon. But you can either try the two of them and know which one is going to be effective for you, because none of those two is just going to do any harm to your skin. Alright, but when you're using the lemon, you don't have to leave it on your face for too freaking long. Alright, so that's it guys. If you did love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, please do ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, so I will see you soon in my next video. Bye guys.